The rear automatic braking or RAB system can assist the driver when the vehicle is backing up. If a risk of a collision with an obstacle is detected when your vehicle is backing up, the RAB system warning indicator will flash in the vehicle information display. A red frame will appear in the center display, if so equipped, and the system will chime 3 times. The system will then automatically apply the brakes. After the automatic brake application, the driver must apply the brake pedal to maintain brake pressure. To enable or disable the system, press the right or left arrow button until Settings displays, and then press the OK button. Press the up or down arrow button to select driver assistance and press the OK button. Now, select Emergency Brake and press the OK button. Then, select Rear and press the OK button to toggle the RAB system on or off. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.